good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Today, I will podcast to you one of the social issues in our environment, the poverty. Welcome for today's podcast. Today, let's talk about poverty. Not just numbers, but real lives. Poverty means children go to bed hungry, family lives without home, and dreams cut short. It's not just about money, it's about dignity, opportunity, and hope. Justice is about fairness, it's giving people chances to live with respect. But when poverty is everywhere, justice is missing. Like, how can other people eat 3 meals a day while others have none? Justice is not just a word, it's a call of the act. Justice demands more than charity. It asks us to change the system that favors the rich while forgetting the poor. It means sharing resources, creating jobs, and protecting rights. Justice is responsibility. It means lifting each other up so no one left behind. Poverty and justice are connected. Without justice, poverty grows deeper. Without ending poverty, justice is incomplete. Poverty is not just about lacking money, it's about lacking opportunity, dignity, and fairness. Justice means changing system so that no child sleeps hungry and no family is forgotten. If communities shares resources, protecting rights, and lift each other's up, poverty will lose its power. So here's the challenge. Will we ignore the cries of the poor? Or will we rise together to build a fairer world? The choice is ours.